Hello, good night. My name is Jamie Brilliant Montoya. I have 33 years old. I have two beautiful daughters. I live with my husband. We live in the city of Honda, Tolima, more called as the city of the bridges. It is a colonial city with a fuss of history. I am in fourth semester of administration in health. I am very happy to study this career and I hope to be able to practice it with great success. I invite you to know this beautiful city of Pials called the city of bridges. This Tolimense city has preserved and restored its colonial and republic architectures. One of its main activities is tourism. Because of its location on the right bank of the Magdalena rivers, we can carry out various waters activities and test different dishes based on fish preparation. This the Church of the Lady of the Rosario, the Market City. The hospital and on of the 44 bridges that Honda has the Navarro bridges. Their tropical food are the suckling pig, the tamal, different kinds of the fish enrich the gastronomic experience of travel in Honda and its surrounding. Encourage to visit us. We will be happy to send you. Bye bye.